All right, I got a brand new tool in the mail. So this is electric fabric scissors from Madame So. I've been wanting some electric scissors for a long time, but some of the ones I was coming across in the reviews, they just weren't good. And then, I get feedback from other people and they just say they hadn't found a good pair. I liked the little demonstration video I saw on this. So I'm like, whatever, let's give it a try. So this is the box that it comes in. And it has some user instructions here that I will read later, whatever. There's the charging cord for it. So it doesn't come with a brick. It's a USB charger. So you just have to, use a brick that you have. We all have tons of them, I'm sure, from our cell phones. So this is the scissor. It is a pretty hefty size. So it came in that plastic bubble wrap. It has a guard on it. This is what it looks like. I'm kind of digging it. I wonder if it's already charged. Let's see. Oh, yeah. All right, we're gonna give this a whirl and see how it works out. Put this back on here, if I can figure it out. Well, Shere. There we go. So, all right, again, electric fabric scissors from Madame So. I'm gonna see how they work out right now.